What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope y'all had a good day today. A little bit of a tricky day to trade. Um, I barely scraped out a profit, but it was not a good day. Kind of stupid though. I was not really sure. Short somewhere here. Um, Targeting 69. That hit. But then I had an order short up here, also targeting 69. I got filled. They stopped me out. If I had just taken the one trade, it would have been profitable. Um, them stopping me out here put me in the red because I had like two other losing trades first. Anyway, lots of trading. And then I took another trade, I think, I don't know, here. Short down to 59.50. And that put me green on the day. So nothing too crazy. Um, and again, today was just hard to trade. They didn't give us a clean retest here. If you happen to get in short here, you would have made money or got puts. Other than that, the only real trade that I see is here where we broke above the spike and retested it. That would have been your entry. But nothing really clean. Let's go ahead and delete everything really quick. This is going to be really quick. Again, my voice is fucked. And I also have to go take my son to his band practice, which is why I'm doing this early. All right. Excuse me. Sorry. All right. Daily levels. We've got single prints at the top. Sorry, let me grab a cough drop. And then pour low down at the bottom here. So they probably want to clean this up. We have a capital P Friday, or Monday, sorry. D-shaped profile on Tuesday with our POC at the bottom right. Today we have, could be a capital P. Yeah, it's a capital P. POC is in the middle, and we close below the POC. This is looking bearish going into tomorrow, other than the fact that we bounced right off of the 2025 value area high. And they did close it above the POC. Or did they? No, sorry, they did not close it above the POC. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're currently above the POC. Let's look at our fear and greed index. We should be neutral. Probably, yeah, I was going to say it's probably shifted up. Calendar for tomorrow. I know there's not much of anything going on. Yeah, an hour before the open, unemployment claims, and that's pretty much it. NBiz has earnings tomorrow before the open. Pretty bullish on that. For tomorrow, well, actually, let's look at our cluster charts really quick. Nah, this is not a single print. Single print. Poor high. Single print. Poor low. This is too close. It's crowded. You could argue this is single prints. I would probably put it as a poor low. This is definitely not single prints. All right. No imbalances that we care about. Let's look at our cluster chart. If we come back up to 7K on ES, probably definitely looking to initiate shorts there, but that's going to also just be our single print area, so it's nothing that we need to add on our chart. And that's really all that cluster charts are providing for us. Tomorrow, I would like to see peak below regain. Depending on how you trade, you could wait for a retest. Or you could also just get back in. You could get in as soon as they break back above the poor low / previous week POC there. Excuse me, sorry. This is going to be the main setups that I'm looking for tomorrow. A retest, break above, retest on any level, or break below, retest on any level would work for calls or for puts. But this is going to be main stuff I'm watching tomorrow. They're probably going to sell off overnight and come down into this range where we're watching for calls. If you have any questions, now would be the time. I am going to go take off and hop in the shower. Sorry for not being live today. I didn't even hear my alarm. I just slept right through it. slowly getting a little bit better midnight. All right. Don't see any questions. I'm going to call it a day here. I hope y'all have a good rest of your evening, and we will see you tomorrow. As always, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.